After years of testing and proven performance in the field, Hutchens Industries is laying claim to a higher standard in slider technology. The Hutch Series 10 slider with 9700 hybrid suspension hangers is a system so innovative and so drastically improved over its predecessors, we've backed it with a 10-year warranty. This system was developed as a lighter weight, extremely durable subframe and suspension. This slider system combines new design concepts with lighter materials, advanced welding and assembly techniques. And because it was designed to utilize Hutchens' extensive production capabilities, the Series 10 production process ensures consistency in the final product and the lowest total cost of ownership. For maximum versatility, the Series 10 works with all current standard Hutchens van slider body rails, so it can be used in place of any 9801 or 9811 series slider. Leading this design is the 9-inch deep frame, made from high-strength, low-alloy 76 KSI minimum yield steel. C-channel design side rails with optimized flange contours reduce weight and resist corrosion. The individual hanger towers provide substantial vertical load support. The inner areas of the towers are coated with sharp soft coat for increased corrosion resistance. Full-depth cross members provide optimal lateral support. HUCK fasteners are used at high-stress cross-member attachments. The frame itself provides maximum durability at the impact zones. The lower-profile hybrid hangers reduce frame stresses. The wide center hanger footprint increases frame and hanger life. The rocker connection is HUCK fastened, so it's maintenance-free. The rocker itself has Hutchens' million-mile rocker bushing that virtually eliminates bushing fatigue and failure. Wrapped, fabricated torque arm eye-ends prevent separation under extreme conditions. The torque arm screws are coated with never seize to resist corrosion while allowing easy adjustment for suspension alignment. Roll-form top plates that offer greater stability under U-bolt clamp loads. An improved spring seat design that efficiently transfers forces from the axle to the spring, with options to fit numerous axle shapes and sizes. Half-inch thick wear pads at all spring contact points to help extend service life. And drainage holes to reduce hanger corrosion. The strategically placed large diameter lock pins and heavy-duty hold-down clips are specifically located to resist braking loads and sliding forces. Our easy pull 2-pin release system makes repositioning simple. The Series 10 is available with special coating options from our standard top coat ready primer to a ready for the road finish soft coat, as well as hot dip galvanized. Hutchens can factory install tank brackets, mud flap brackets, airline brackets, or any other brackets you may require. Using knowledge from decades of slider production, customer feedback, and proven performance in the field, along with state-of-the-art FEA and controlled benchmark testing in our engineering research laboratory. The Series 10 with 9700 hybrid suspension hangers is the highest quality, lightest weight, most durable slider and suspension system we've ever produced. Designed from the ground up to be less expensive than other options and as cost-effective as possible for our customers. When it comes to versatility, durability, and value, this system is a perfect 10, and it's only from Hutchens Industries. For more information on the Hutch Series 10 sliding suspension system or any of our other products, contact us at 1-800-654-8824 or visit our website at www.hutchensindustries.com. The difference is durability. The quality is Hutchens.